Children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment 2 key of 8th class dated on 2nd July 2020. Topic is sentences, kinds of sentences. You know very well, in English there are 4 kinds of sentences. Right children, depending on their function, sentences are divided into 4. First one, assertive sentence, second one imperative sentence, third one interrogative sentence, fourth one exclamatory sentence. Correct? Now let us see this one. Identify the kind of sentences given below. First one, how are you? How are you? So how are you, it began with WH word question, WH word, and it ends with question mark. So this one is, first one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means asking questions. Second one, I have given them my book. See here, the sentence begins with I subject, it ends with full stop. When a sentence begins with subject and when it ends with full stop, that is assertive sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. It declares a fact. So it is declarative or assertive sentence. Third one, you are writing a test. You are writing a test. Same. So children, here it began with you subject, it ends with full stop. So it is also assertive sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. Next, fourth one, do it right now. Observe this sentence carefully. The sentence began with do, verb, it ends with full stop. When a sentence begins with verb and when it ends with full stop, that is imperative sentence. So this one, fourth one is imperative sentence. You know very well children, imperative means commands, orders, requests, advice, suggestion. So like this. Next, fifth one, wow, what a scene it is. What a scene it is. Wow, what a scene it is. See, it began with exclamatory word and even it ends with exclamatory mark. So this one is, fifth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence exclaims, it expresses sudden feelings or emotions. So it is exclamatory sentence. Now sixth one, let me go now. See children here, let me go now. Let is verb, it began with verb, it ends with full stop. So it is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Next one, did you see that? Did you see that? It began with did helping verb and it ends with question mark. This one is interrogative sentence. Seventh one is interrogative sentence. Next, eighth one, we will celebrate it. See here, it began with subject, it ends with full stop. So this one is assertive or declarative sentence. Next, ninth one, alas, he is injured. See children, so here ninth one, it began with alas exclamatory word and it ends with full stop, right? So it expresses unhappiness, sad feelings, so it is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Now let us see 10th one, open the gate. Open the gate. It began with open verb, it ends with full stop. When a sentence begins with verb and when it ends with full stop, so this is imperative sentence. Like this, we can classify into sentences, right? Depending on the given sentences, we can classify them. Thank you children, all the best.